and we here at the SID Display Week. And hi, so who are you?
Hi, my name is Edison Chang, coming from Visionox.
And you are showing some of your latest flexible AMOLED displays. So Visionox is big in the OLED, right?
Yes,
So what is this?
this is a foldable display, and its radius is around 3 to 5 millimeter, and it has been passed 200K times the reliability test.
200,000 times?
Yes, 200,000 times.
And it's a big display
Yes,
with 5 millimeter folding radius.
yes,
And you can also do smartphones like this.
yes.
So are these on the market already, or how soon is on the market this?
Currently, it's only ready for the market, and
Closer to mic. Yeah, closer to mic. I mean. Yeah.
it's only ready for the market. When it comes to the mass production, we will announce it. But right now, it's still under preparation.
Later this year?
Pardon?
This year maybe?
All of these two are still under preparation. It's still not launched yet. It's only to show us, show what technology we are having right now.
Nice. And what is this?
This is a multiple folding display to tell our customer in the near future, you do not only to you don't need to bring so many electronic device. Usually, so many people right now have a true mobile phone, and when you are traveling, you also need to bring an iPad. And think about it. When you have a multiple folding device, you can use this side for your family, use this side for your company. And when you need to have a reading function, you just need to unfolding this device, then you could have a pad. So that's
you can
so good.
triple fold
Yes,
phone that turns into a huge tablet, becomes a big tablet.
yes,
And this is another foldable?
yes. This
It's
is
active?
another.
You can-
Suppose that it should be active, but right now it cannot be active.
All right. So this is another version of this kind of technology,
Yes,
and here also.
yes,
So you have a screen. This is optimized for watch, right?
yes. This is optimized for
Pardon, yeah. So this is on the market.
yes, it's already on the market. It's optimized for a wearable phone, and it's not only about a watch. When you need to call your friend, you just need to connect it with your phone, then you can call your friend.
So it's a huge. Can you take it off? Take it off, yeah.
Yeah.
So it's flexible and stable
Yes.
and mass-produced, available on the market. This is Nubia brand,
Yes.
or is one of the companies from ZTE, I think, or and it's fully touch.
Fully touch. It's a touch function.
So that means it's stable,
Yes.
flexible display,
Yes.
stable. On the market is not so too expensive, also.
Sure.
And this is a 4.1 inch
Yes.
with a lot of hardness going on here and all kinds of temperatures. That's really cool. So this is the coolest watch in the world, is it?
Yes.
It's a Visionox watch,
Yes.
kind of. All right, let's walk around here. You have many other demos here. Some other. This is a speaker. And smart monitor.
Yes.
So there's just so many potential, so many opportunities with the flexible OLED, right?
Yes.
Here, we have this. It's another smart cup. You can put some liquid, and then it can show the story of the coffee or the something. And this is also the phone that folds open to a big tablet. The trick is how to make it flat, right?
Yes.
You have this technology already,
Already.
so it's really nice, like a tablet. When you open this tablet, close like phone.
Like phone.
Cool. Here, so, and this is the the AMOLED ebook. Cool. So if you go around here, so how big is the Visionox?
This company so far has more than 6,000 employees, and we already
Yeah.
already built up four production areas located in China.
So in like where in China?
One production area is in Beijing, the other production area is in big Shanghai area, and the other one is in Hefei area.
And so you can do HDR and SDR display, or what is this?
We co-work with our partner to optimize the image quality because we do believe that customers prefer more comfortable image quality experience.
Nice. And here's another. What does this do?
Okay,
This is
this is a pressure touch function, and it's quite good for me because usually I will have frequent business travel. When I travel to a cold winter area, and usually I need to wear the gloves.
nice.
But I guess when the winter is very cold, you don't want to take off your gloves, right? Then think about it. I can use my finger to touch directly. But when you wear the gloves, we lost the touch function. But
So how do you fix that?
use this one. You see?
Oh,
Yeah. We co-work with our partner to improve the touch function. So like when you travel to cold winter area, you don't need to take off your gloves.
nice. Is there a special algorithm in there?
Yes.
All right. And here's the other, the flexible display again.
Yes.
And what do you do here with the flexible display?
That's just to show our customer to know what kind of flexible display we can produce for them, also with different package function.
And here's the sound coming out of the display.
Yes.
So you can see the small balls are vibrating.
Do you see the speaker?
Nice. Sound on display.
Yeah.
So you have localized sound coming directly out of the display. You can make a bezel-less, no-need speaker.
Yes. And when we don't need to use a speaker, you can save the room for the battery. Then you don't need to charge your mobile phone after 1 day usage.
Nice. Cool. Okay, let's go around here. Here you have some more. This is how you do the smartphone displays.
Yes.
So what's the latest here? Oh, sorry. What is this one?
This is our latest technology. It's just to tell our customers we can provide with them high screen ratio display and with AA punch function to insert the camera inside, and also we can provide with them high resolution.
So it's like 3K or something like that? 2K? There's another hole up here.
Yes.
So all the smartphone displays you do is all AMOLED. You invest many years in this.
Yes.
To do a lot of, what is the quantity? Do you ship, do you say how many? Shipping?
Currently, we are the top tiers in China. Basically, according to the Sino report, in 2018, we are the #1 shipment provider.
The number one in China,
Yeah, the #1 in China.
not in the world.
Sure.
Not yet.
Not yet.
But in the China, number one.
Yes.
So it's many, many millions.
Yes.
Millions of AMOLED phones
Yes.
shipping, and very stable
Yes.
quality. Some nice contrast, great dark levels, black levels. And you have some small ones here.
Yeah.
And this one, little round one. Is this for smartwatch?
Yes, for smartwatch.
Cool. And here's all the phones you have. So these are some other smartwatches. This one you just showed, the Nubia Alpha.
Yes.
It's really cool. And then some of the phones are real. These are on the market.
Yeah, this is commercialized area.
Nice. Yeah, you can show this. So all these brands are very happy to work with Visionox
Yes.
to make some really cool looking phones.
This is a 5G mobile phone, and our thickness is 30% reduced, so it could be thinner.
Yeah. This is also a nice looking one. Maybe similar. Yeah.
This is a gaming phone.
Nice. So also AMOLED is good for battery life. Battery is long.
Yes,
When it's especially black UIs.
its power consumption is quite low, and also can provide you the true black image
black.
sensing.
Nice.
Yeah.
And some more. And here's a bunch more. So what do you do with the car over here? Let's go over there. That's okay. The automotive display. So you shipping this already, or is it for the future?
For the future. However, right now we already co-work with electrical vehicle company, and they already launched their first model with our display inside on their A pillar.
On their
A pillar, because when you are driving, you don't need to see the mirror. You just need to see the A pillar. Then you can see something which is
Nice.
transparent for you.
And it's a good idea to have a AMOLED in the car
Yes.
to also have good contrast, and it gets bright enough because it needs to be bright, right?
Sure.
And there will be all kinds of different shapes coming out,
Yes.
many different things. And what will happen in the future then with Visionox? More and more AMOLED?
Yes. In the future, we do not only produce flexible display, and basically we expect the foldable display should be commercialized in the near future. Not only foldable, also including multiple foldable.
My hope, I love the foldable phones, it's amazing, but I hope the price is not too high.
Sure.
It will be high in the beginning, or can come down the price, hopefully.
It could come down the price in the future.
It needs big quantity, right?
Yes.
If you can be the world leader in this, you can push the price a little bit down,
Sure.
maybe.
That's our target, our goal.
Cool.